Hello, Craftaholics, and Merry Craftmas in July. This month is going to be all about silly Christmas fun, crafting, just having a good time. But a side note, our Home is Where the Heart Is mini album, we will be finishing that up the first week of August. I want July to just be about Christmas and nothing else. And I have a few ideas. One of them is Saturdays are going to be stocking stuffer Saturday, where I'm going to show you guys how to make just little things that can be stocking stuffers. Or if a work group or church group, something you have to give a bunch of like little gifts out, because we know that gets expensive. Just things that you can kind of like batch make, or like, I hate to say this, but mass produce, that are inexpensive but still are amazing for whoever the recipient is. I have a big project planned, which is what this is, and I'll get to that in a minute. I wish I could stop saying, gosh, in daily life, like regular conversations, like off camera, I hardly ever use and here it's like, oh my God. Anyway, back on subject. I'm going to put on Saturdays, I'm hoping to put like 1 to 2 videos up for stocking stuffers. There may be more, and you never know, a couple may sneak in here and there during the week. I have no idea what's going to happen yet. But I also want to do, here's the deal. I also, see, there I go again. I want to put at least 2 videos up a week showing giftables, decorations, other kind of Christmas crafts, things like that. But I want to make and show you guys how to make what you want to learn. So in the description box below, let me know a couple things that you would like to learn, and I will make a list and we will pick some of those, and they will be our weekly videos. So I think that would be a lot of fun. There's also going to be some giveaways. Not giving any info on that yet, so you just have to wait. And you have to keep watching my videos, which you should be doing anyway, because they are awesome and I am fun. Anywho, to our big project. Diane, who is in our crafty family, when I did my appreciation giveaway and asked if there's something you want to learn, she came up with an advent calendar. And I agree completely. Like she had said, you always see people showing their project shares, but nobody ever shows how to make one. So we are going to make one. And we're probably going to start cutting pieces out next week, and the week after putting them together. I'm thinking. We're going to start and we'll see how we flow. But this is the collection I'm using. It is Simple Stories Holly Jolly, and it is just so fun, and I just think it's perfect for an advent calendar. Now, this isn't one completely geared to kids, but it can be done with whatever paper you use, whether it's more adult, child friendly, however you want to do it. We're empty nesters, so it's just for us. And we're old, so we don't need... No, I'm just kidding. And this is the 12 by 12 collection kit. I got all this on scrapbook.com. But this is the kind of kit that you can get at Tuesday morning. I don't think this one is there, but there are others. And it is the one that has, the 12 by 12 sheets, front and back, some cut aparts in there, and also like a sticker sheet. So I ordered that, and I also ordered the Collector's Essential Kit, which, excuse me, my allergies are so bad, my throat keeps going dry. It is a set that comes with the papers and a few extras, so I thought we'd flip through the papers, and then I can show you what else comes with it, and what else you will need. So that's why I'm doing this now, so you can kind of get everything together. Okay, we're starting with a floral. I'm going to go through these quick. I'm not going to take a long time. And it is backed with another floral. We've got all Christmas things and a scooter holding a tree. And some holly leaves and berries. They're really pretty plaid. Backed up by some white snowflakes on red. Really, really pretty polka dot pattern. I like lately, and I think I said this before, I am still into polka dots and plaid, and I never was before. I have no clue, but I'm liking it. And we have Christmas presents. We have some gingerbread, some plaid. And actually, that's like a grid, more grid. We have some snowmen and houses and birds and things. It's supposed to be snowy, that's why it's blue, I would assume. And another, like a lighter red snowflake on a deeper red background. It's really pretty. I love this floral. I think it's just so pretty with the reds and the pinks. And on the back of it is a different type of a plaid. Then we have a stripe with ornaments on the other side, and then our cut-aparts, which are 6, 12, 18, 24, 36 little ones. And I thought they would be perfect for an advent calendar. And I especially liked it that it had a 25. And guys, let me know below, and I need to know like soon. Do you want our advent calendar to go to Christmas Day on the 25th, where the last gift is open or the last box is open? Or do you want to stop it at Christmas Eve? Let me know, because I'm planning it now and I really need to know that information. On the back of it is just some holly and some flowers and greenery. Then we have our 3x4s with, woo, eye painful stripe on the back of that one. Then we've got our 4x4s with green eye painful. Then our 4x6s, and I love this Merry Christmas. I just think it's so pretty. And also I like this. It's got like a countdown calendar, which I think is neat. And that's got another floral on the back, and then the sticker sheet, like was in the other one. Now, being the essential kit, it also comes with chipboard stickers, which let me there we go, get rid of the glare. Some of those. It came with a roll of washi, which is really, really cute. It's got the, whoop, where am I going? I have no clue. It's got the greenery, holly berries, holly. And it also came with, they call it bits and pieces. It's their ephemera pack. And this is, whoop, this way. Sorry, guys. I am probably making you feel like you're on a roller coaster. All those pieces. Now, extra, I bought, these are the journal bits and pieces. And they're just all the sayings and little, I thought they'd be really, really good for an advent calendar. Other things you're going to need. You're going to need some of these resealable plastic bags. And these I just got at Walmart. I think they're like $2.97 for 100. And they are normally the jewelry aisle, where all the jewelry findings are. But as we cut our pieces out, you're going to want bags to keep them separated, because there's going to be a lot of little pieces. You're also going to need, to make the main boxes, or the main drawers, you're going to need some 110-pound cardstock. And this I got at Hobby Lobby. It's their extra heavyweight, which is 110 pound. And I know it says $16, but when we went, it was all half off. So I got 2 packs for $16, which is not bad. You're also going to want to have some other cardstock, probably not 110 pound, but kind of like just regular 65 pound in like red, green, black, what, just regular Christmas colors. They may come in handy for this. And also, at least, now I'm not sure if we need more than this, but 2 pieces of medium weight chipboard. I get mine on HSN, but I also know that you can buy it on Amazon. So I will look for some links for all of this if I can, and link it down below for you to make it easier. And like I said, I'm telling you in advance what I'm using. So if you want to use the same, or even not, so you can just get your supplies together. Because Christmas stuff is going to go quickly this year, I have a feeling. I mean, if you've been out and about looking, like, just craft supplies in general are just flying off the shelves. People are bored. So like I said, I just ordered mine on scrapbook.com, and they were having a sale that week on Simple Stories. But go take a look and see what they have too. Awesome. Let's see. I think that is all I have for today. But I'm really, really excited about the Advent calendar, and I hope you are too. Especially you, Diane. Let me know. You better be, girl. And you better craft along. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And be sure to click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And there will be a drop-down menu that I think it is no notifications, like on occasion notifications, and all of them. You know you want to click on that all, because come on, I'm fun. I am a fun person, and I do really fun stuff. Anyway, would you also like this video? It really does help my channel grow. And I am at I think 117 now, so yay! My goal this month is to gain 25 new subscribers, so if you guys can help me out, that'll be awesome by sharing all of my Christmas videos that I share with you guys. So, like I said, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to get started. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.